I remember at the wrap-up last year, I enjoyed quoting Frank Street. I'm going to do it again. Sticks, carrots and tambourines. The latter makes the right sound and gets everyone moving in the same direction. So amen to that. Okay, so we run a sensitive viticulture project through the centre in collaboration with CSIRO. I've mentioned Kathy Evans is the lead of that, and Pip's working on it. And we just thought with Sense T2 looking to become a reality, we'd explore feedback from our stakeholders on where they see the usefulness of technology in terms of assisting them with their enterprise. I should say there's been a whole lot of participatory input with the grape and wine industry. And in the group I was in, there was no one from the grape and wine industry. So it was really quite interesting to see the huge amount of overlap with what got put together for the Sense T current project and what various farmers and representatives from other industries would like to see. A lot of overlap. So localised weather data with predictive ability to actually make it useful. And this is really critical in deciding when not to irrigate. That is one of the most stressful decisions for a vegetable production, in particular potatoes, so I'm told. Of course, soil moisture and leaf wetness, which are key for predicting disease. And a big aspect of our sensitive viticulture project is predicting botrytis in wine grapes. Questions around how the data will be accessed, how will it be paid for, how will it be commercialised? And I think that's a really big question for the Sense T program, and I think moves are afoot around that space, and I think that will be part of Sense T2, and I cannot say any more. Data needs to interface, be collated into easily digestible dashboards and iPhones, and be available in tractors that are user-friendly and in real time. And so this is exactly the output, or the prototype of an output that we're aiming for in the Sense T project actually, is an app that'll obviously be on your iPhone and assist you with real-time decision-making around botrytis disease and also frost. Key is collaboration across the landscape. This could be enabled via data in the cloud, and contractors and consultants could be very useful and important in this space in terms of service providers of the data. So that's interesting. Finally, from our colleagues and peers from the National Centre for Engineering and Agriculture from Southern Queensland Uni, it was emphasised that effective links between industry and researchers is absolutely key. Thanks, that's it.